morning my loves, how you doing? What's popping? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odembo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka Mtoto wa Homa Bay County. As you can tell by the title of the video, we are all about the living room today and a little bit of the bedroom. So I'm going to show you beds, I'm going to show you couches, and then I'm going to show you dining table. Okay, if you're here, you've already watched, there's a lorry outside. If you're here, you've already watched part 1 of this video. This is part 2. If you haven't watched, please pause, go back there, watch that video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please click on that red button, subscribe, click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So on Saturday, I was on Jogoo Road and I went to check out seats for you guys, just to show you. If you've been looking for these seats, then you're in luck. If I filmed them, then they are here. So these vendors, they are located on near Makadara Locals. So when you're at Makadara Locals, as if you're going back to Donholm, both on your right and your left, there are seat vendors there. So I went to some of their shops and here is what I found. I hope you enjoy this video. It's going to be short, but it's going to be sweet. I hope it's going to be helpful to you guys. And by the way, in case you go there to buy, make sure when you pay your money, you leave with your seats. Load them in a pickup or whatever. Leave with your seats. We don't want to hear stories. I gave someone money, my seats I've not received my seat yet. Yada blah blah blah. Please, 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 please. Go there, pay for your seats, pay for your bed, pay for your dining set, leave with them. Anyway, I'm talking too much. Let's go. And in case you're wondering what is on my hair, I have matuta. Nimezitengeneza kombo, hata sijazitengeneza vizuri, but anyway, that's not important. That's not the purpose of this video. Let's go straight to the video.
Let's start with this seat. This seat took my breath away. The color might not be so clear here, but they are light olive green. So lush, so beautiful, so sophisticated, so money, and it's just beautiful. Yeah, my vision was I pair them with a flowery seat, which are also green. I'm just going to show you right now, right here. Tell me what you think.